My experience with Paramanand Institute is very good. I receive here very good knowledge, very good structures, like good structured lectures. The combination of the family environment and professional background makes Paramanand unique, I mean. And also the pranayama practice here is on a very high level. So it's why I can recommend it to come here and take your experience.
I've had some amazing experiences here as usual. Guruji's pranayama and meditation experiences are always intense and always very interesting. And I'm already a yoga teacher, so I'm feeling very inspired about going back and sharing so many teachings and practices with all my students. And I would recommend this place to anyone who approached me and said I would like to either deepen my yoga training or become a yoga teacher. I would definitely recommend Paramanand, because I think, you know, for people who want a spiritual approach to yoga, not just asana, to learn yoga as a way of life, the 8 limbs of yoga, the teachers have been amazing, really professional teachers who really know their stuff. Life in an ashram it's a safe, closed environment where you can really focus on learning, and it's all about that. And you know, it's not always comfortable, it's not always easy, but these things really can bring out the best in you. So I'll definitely recommend this place.
My experience in this ashram, it's beautiful, it's really intense. I definitely recommend every person in life to invest at least 1 month to stay in ashram. The life here on Paramanand ashram, it's beautiful. Guruji will definitely bring you to the next level, will definitely bring you into the bliss, into your real own nature, and for me that is the truth. So please come to the ashram one more time. The best investment in life. Hari Om.
If I talk about yoga in Paramanand Ashram, first of all, it was good for me because I was only concentrating on asanas before this course, but now I love meditation. I recommend you to come here for the meditation and you'll love it. Before coming into this ashram, I was not at all scheduled. My lifestyle was not at all scheduled, but now it is on the line, on the track, everything is scheduled.
So Guruji is a very, very knowledgeable person, and he also has like a beautiful way of transmitting his knowledge, keeping like always, I don't know how can I say. He really maintain like everything on a normal level. So like he's not just a spiritual guru that wants to put your head into the spiritual knowledge of something that is almost unreal, and he really like gives you explanation what is happened through your body, through your mind, and you know where all this journey is gonna bring you. I would really recommend to come here.
I spent almost 1 month here in Paramanand Institute, the ashram, and it was a really nice experience. So I think this place is very special because it doesn't focus only on physical yoga.
So I've been at the ashram here now for a month, and it's been a really peaceful time, really beautiful and quiet, plenty of learning, plenty of experiences. Paramanand gives you a deeper understanding of traditional yoga. So there are lots of places that you can go and to learn about asana or even pranayama.
I'm having really good time here because Guruji and Sunita are so great, and the staff here is very kind to me, and I'm really happy to be here. And I strongly recommend to my friends to come here to study because it's so spiritual and thoughtful.